Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, January 21st. Check out that date 1-21-21. Okay, 21st day of January in the year 2021. You have 7 things to keep you busy today at home since we can't be together at school. So let's hop in and get started. First off, your handwriting book. We are on page 73, which has capital W and capital X. Okay, I'll show you how to make those quickly, and then I know you can zoom through this because every time I say it's tricky, you crush it. So, here are my lines. Okay, if you notice, they both have the little overcurve with the hook. So they both start with that little candy cane shape. Okay, so here we go. I'm trying to do it so you can see it. So a wobble is overcurve down, then you slant and up. Okay? And then an X is over, curve down, give them a little tail, and then across. Okay? Easy peasy. Your sentence at the bottom says, Saint Francis Xavier helped share the word of God. Okay? So you write that beautifully at the bottom, W's and X's at the top. That's task 1. Task 2 is to practice your spelling words. And I'm going to have your parents give you your spelling test tomorrow. So you better practice well. Now, I think I put white paper in your packet. If I didn't, I'm sorry. You can take your next job and just do your spelling words on the back, okay? So here are your words. I'm going to put them on the board for you, and then you can choose. You can either get a dice and play roll and spell, or you can write each one 3 times, or you can write each one 1 time and then rainbow trace on top of it with lots of colors. Remember, no matter which way you choose, when you get to the first word, then, you should be saying to yourself quietly as you go, T-H-E-N, then. T-H-E-N, then. Okay? So here are your words. Then, remember we're working on that th sound this week. Then, them. Okay? Then, these, that's a magic E word. T-H-E-S-E. And then 3. Okay, and then some long E words. So we have C, S-E-E, tree, B, like a bumblebee, and your knee, which I tell you is a cunny to help you remember. Okay, so choose one way to practice those words. Now, that's your second job. Your third job is about nouns. Remember, a noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. And we have a little coloring activity today. So your name goes at the top, and here's what the directions say. If it's a person, color it blue. If it's a place, color it yellow. And if it's a thing, color it green. So you will need those 3 colors, markers, pencils, crayons, whatever you have, okay? So let's read the first one. Ink, sink. Is a sink a person? Is it a place? Is it a thing? So you're going to color sink green, okay? Now let's look at the next one. School. Okay, is a school a person? Is it a place? So we're going to color that yellow, okay? And I'm going to go across this top row all the way to the end. Man. Is that a person? So you color it blue. So you need to go through all of these words and just color them the appropriate color. Remember, person blue, place yellow, thing green. If you cannot read the word, ask someone to help. Okay, that's your third job. Your fourth job is our saint for this week. And our saints this week is actually a collection of little boys who are under the age of 2. So if you can think back to the story of when Jesus was born, and we didn't get to read this today in class, but I know you've heard it lots of times. When the wise men come to Herod to ask him about this king being born in his land, Herod tells them to go visit the king and come back and say where he is, and they don't do it, okay? But Herod also gets scared that his power is going to go away, and so he has all the baby boys who are under 2 years old killed, which is very sad. So these babies we call the Holy Innocents. We celebrate their feast day just a few days after Christmas, okay? And these are little boys who gave their life for Jesus without even knowing it, Okay, so the picture we had in class had Jesus kind of with big arms, and there were just babies. Okay, so you can do that. I'm not worried about how many babies. You can draw lots of them. You can fill this box with babies. And then down here we need to write holy innocents, because they were innocent little babies, and that's what they're called. So, holy innocents. Okay, and those words go on your lines. All right, that is your fourth job. Your fifth job is math, and I think you're gonna like it, okay? You can choose which to do first. You have a math test, which should be pretty quick, or this cutting and gluing counting game. So I'm going to start with the math test just to show you, and then I'll do the cutting and gluing, okay? Name and date, go at the top. Here's what your story problem says today. Peggy counted 6 blue price tags and 2 yellow price tags. 6 blue, 2 yellow. Draw the tags and write an equation. So 6 blue, 2 yellow, write your equation, write how many that is. Then it says, what day of the week is today? Okay, now you can have a parent help you spell this, because in the classroom I'd let you use the calendar to help you. But what day of the week is it today? You just write that name. Remember, it gets a capital, it's a proper noun. Okay, draw a line of symmetry in this shape. Remember, that's the line where you can cut something in half and it folds on top of itself. And then it says color 1/2 of the shape. Okay, some equations for you. Finish this number pattern. You're just counting, so it's not repeating. It doesn't go 45, 46, 47, 45, 46, 47. Okay, this is just counting by ones. 45, 46, 47. I think you got it. Okay, and then this says number the clock face and show 2 o'clock. So you need to put all your numbers, 12, 1, 2, all the way around, and then show me 2 o'clock on here and 2 o'clock on here. And then you just have equations on the back. You got some -2s and +2s, okay? We're gonna start working on those really hard. So today, just show me that you can figure them out. I'm not worried about you having them memorized yet. All right, that is your math test, and then you get to play this game. So if you look, this is the part you're going to need to cut off, okay? It just has numbers on it, and these numbers match these pictures. But to figure out the answers, you will have to group 10. So watch what will happen. If I count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I should draw a circle around those 10. And then that will show me super easy which number this is, because I have 1, 10, and 2 1s. Which one of these is 1, 10, and 2 1s? It's 12. Cut it out, it gets glued right here, okay? So, yes, you could count by ones, but that would take a while. It's better if you get in the habit of grouping 10s to make your numbers, okay? So you can go ahead and do that. These cute little guys. I think they're the 3 pigs. That's your 6th job, and then your 7th job would be reading. So if I sent home a little book for you, you can do that. And if you already have a book you're working on, you can spend some time reading that. All right, that's it for today. Quick recap. Handwriting. Practice those spelling words before your test tomorrow. Okay, your noun page where you color them, your saints, your math test, your counting, and reading. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.